FinTech Career Inc. welcomes you to this video on between IFC and CSC, which one is better for investment finance? The answer to the question is IFC, although CSC has wider scope. You will learn from the video how this conclusion is arrived at. You find everyone appearing for investment funds in Canada IFC or Canadian Securities course CSC examinations conducted by Canadian Securities Institute CSI has own and different objectives for learning for either of the examinations. They enter the same testing center. It is paving way to the single gateway for investment finance career and profession. Some want to begin a career in investment finance, could be in bank, mutual fund trading, securities marketplace, consulting, and more. Few are looking to progress as an advisor than the normal employees. Some are interested to grow in career to get an add-on certification in CSC after having done IFC. You also find investors wanting to manage their portfolio all by themselves. Even the people investing through their banks under guidance of financial advisors and others like to understand how their investments perform. There are a number of people interested in becoming freelancers in trading and in consulting. All these with many different ambitions aim to be recognized as certified professional to practice in Canadian securities market. IFC or CSC is a mandatory requirement in Canada. It is for the recognizable knowledge for a career or for a practice. All aspirations have single gateway to enter. Certification in either IFC or the CSC is a prerequisite for the career in investment finance, including the banking. Skills including analytical, problem solving, interpersonal skills, effective communication, etc. are the basic qualities in addition to the IFC or CSC certification for the roles in investment consulting in roles like financial advisor. There are many similarities between IFC and CSC in terms of exam type, questions, evaluation criteria, etc. IFC leads to roles in mutual funds, whereas CSC is for all types of securities. So the scope of learning in CSC is more that also needs 2 levels of examinations. Although the study material and recorded videos are available, it is like learning in the school. It is recommended to go through an exam prep course for taking a step forward to this industry, because the stringent criteria is to score over 60% within 3 attempts. Every time you have to write the examination again, you end up paying the fees, which is not small. It is better to spend on a prep course and get through at one go. A rewarding career as mutual fund sales representative or MFSR pays as much as Canadian dollar 40,000 to 100,000. This is an indication in CSI website. Now that you're going to enter this promising world of opportunities in investment industry, you go well prepared with a prep course from Result-Oriented Institute. It is for the recognizable knowledge for a career or for a practice that has the faculty practicing with high qualifications, certifications, and rich experience in the industry. Take a look at the video review by candidate on the website www.fintechcareer.ca or in YouTube channel Career Advisor IT 2020. The entry point is clearly known as a single gateway to all the destinations. Everyone can go for it for a certification and succeed in the investment industry.
FinTech Career has the right faculty profile to teach IFC and CSC certifications and coach you how to succeed in the examination with tests and model questions. Please visit www.fintechcareer.ca for the course structure and other details. You may call us at 437-231-7979 to register for the next course commencing soon, or by email at admin@fintechcareer.ca.